Hey guys, so this is the 2010 Ford Ka that I'm currently rebuilding, or currently in the process of rebuilding. It was a category S. It's basically just the damage you see on the side here. Quarter panel's fine, just scratched. Door is being replaced. We have a replacement door. Fender, the wing even, it's being replaced. Wheel trims, 4 new wheel trims. Everything's good here. Everything's good on this side. Needs a new mirror. Other than that, it's basically just the damage on the passenger side of the car. So the car's only got 45,251 miles. It will go slightly up as we need to take it to get MOT and other things like that. Starts up first time. Need some fuel. Everything else is alright. As you can tell, the engine runs very smoothly. Nothing wrong with that. Radio works. Gears all shift smoothly. Fifth, and then it's got reverse lockout for reverse. Window works fine. Needs a mirror. But yeah, other than that, car's running and driving perfectly fine. Just need to, well, really and truly need to clean the whole interior. Interior wise, it needs a proper clean. As you can see, it's very dirty. Needs a deep clean inside once the car's been repaired. It's a decent spec. It's got a radio, it's got aux, it's got everything that you need in a little car. Guys, that's everything for today. It keeps raining and really and truly I don't want to wait. I don't want to work out in the rain. So yeah, basically the hinges for the door is what you just saw in the last bit of the video. The hinges for the door need to be adjusted, but it keeps pouring with rain, so we're just gonna tape up the gap in the door and leave it for today. Probably get on with it tomorrow or the day after when it's a bit more sunny. As you can see, we took off the wing, took off the bumper, both the headlights, took off the broken door, managed to fit the new one, but as I said, you can kind of tell the hinges, they need to be adjusted properly, so until that's done the door is not going to fit correctly. Hey guys, so I've wrapped up the car as it's raining. It's forecast to rain tomorrow, the day after, so for now the car is just going to stay as it is. As I said previously, the door is not lining up, so in part 2 we're going to be adjusting the hinges, getting the door to line up perfectly. Then we're going to be putting back the fender, both headlights and the front bumper, and then giving the car like a deep clean. Exterior wise, we'll decontaminate the paint, and yeah, polish it up and see what it looks like. Hey guys, that's all for part 1. If you like the video, then subscribe to the channel and leave a like. Comment down below what you'd like to see in the future from us at Savage Vehicle Rebuilds. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.